So I'll be showing you how to add the battery icon and battery percentage on the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 5. So what you need to do is unfold your phone and then go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to cover screen, tap on that, and then you should see among this list of potential wallpapers, the one you have active is the one that's going to be on top. So tap on it, and then at the top here you should see the option for battery. Now if you tap on that, you'll have the option to enable or disable the battery icon. Now make sure you enable that and then tap on done in the top right corner, and that's going to be applied to the cover screen. And that's why on the cover screen you can now see the battery icon. But if you want to go a step further and also see the battery percentage, then go back into your phone settings. So go back to settings, and then from the main settings page, scroll down and go all the way to battery and device care. Tap on that and then tap on battery. Under battery, scroll down and tap on more battery settings. Tap on that and then enable show battery percentage. Okay, so if you turn that on, that's going to show the battery percentage on the main screen and also on the cover screen. So now when you want to check the battery percentage, all you have to do is simply go to the cover screen and check. Okay, simple as that. And that's basically how to show the battery percentage, the battery icon and battery percentage on the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Thanks for watching and good luck.